We'll guide you through how to make a photo collage on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on my iPhone, and so you've got multiple photos, perhaps from an event or another function, or just in general you've taken, and now you want to go make a collage with them. This is a great way of combining photos into one, and you can then go and share it with people, post it online, or just go and have it for yourself. So we're going to guide you through this step by step. Make sure these full guides know exactly what you need to do. So we can come into photos and you can go and see the photos I want to do this with. I've just got these four here. So we can actually go and do this without needing to go and get any third-party apps. The apps we need should already be on our iPhone. So it's a much easier process than you think. I've previously made a video on this as well, and it's much easier than what it once used to be as well. So to do this, you can come out of your photos. We don't actually do it in here surprisingly. What you need to do is you need to come and swipe across, and we need to go and find the Shortcuts app. So by default, this is going to be in the utilities folder, shortcuts, but you can always go and drag down and go and search for it. Then we can go and open it up. Now what you can do is you can come down to the bottom and you need to go and find the option for gallery. So we can go and click here. Previously we had to go and create a shortcut for this, but not anymore. So come into gallery. Then you can come to the top and there's a search bar. So what you want to do is go and type in grid. Do keep watching as I'm going to show you how you can then use this. We can go and get photo grid here to turn them into a collage. Press a little plus there, it's now turned into a tick. And if we press on our library, you can see it at the top here. Go and tap on it and it's going to go and run. Select the photos you want to do this with. Then you can press the tick in the top right. It's going to go and run. And there is our collage, as you can see. Then what you can do is press the share button in the bottom right and choose how you want to go and share it. You could save it or send it. Leave a like if you found this useful.